Hello friends, in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can manually upgrade your Play Store. If it is not getting official updates, you can upgrade it manually. And for more Android videos, please go to my channel, that is YouTube/BriefTut, and there are many videos like routing, unrouting, increasing internal memory, volume button as camera, and there are many videos about to come. And you can request videos too. If it is possible, I will upload them too. So now, before upgrading, you need to have a rooted mobile. So I will give you a download link in the description. That will be a site that is Android Place. Right now it is the latest Android Play Store, that is 4.2.3. so go to there and click on download, and it will bring this, it will scroll to this download. You can click on any link, so I am clicking, and it is asking me to 8 seconds wait. Okay, till then I move to my site. It is very newly site, andronest.com, and I am looking for some bloggers who have good skills about Android. Okay, now so I got this download button, and as I will click on this button, it will start my download. You can after download, you can transfer this file to your Android mobile with any method. I am using Wi-Fi method, that is Droid method, AirDroid. The application is called AirDroid. So I am starting it, and it is prompting me to enter this address. So web.droid, and I will scan this with this QR. Okay, now after scanning, it will connect. Get connect, baby. Okay, it is connected, you can see. Now there is a toolbox where I can drop my files, and I can directly install my application. So how I did this, move my cursor here, and I am controlling it with my wireless mouse, and I can enter some text with my keyboard. So how I did, please subscribe for my channel for such videos. I am waiting for this to download. Just get download. You can, let's see if I have my channel. Okay, I got 212 subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. And if you have Carbon A25 mobile, you can go to my Facebook page, and there I updates things and help people. You can see I don't have a stock ROM because our mobile does not support CWM, that is custom work mode, custom recovery mode, clock work mode, sorry. So I am holding this application and dragging it to my uploading, and it will come in my this folder. So for this you need a root browser. You can use any root browser. In my case I am using a simple root browser, not ES Explorer, because it does not support my mobile's routing. So now here, be specific and remember everything, and keep a backup. Okay, no. Okay, before moving further, let me show you my Play Store. Where is my Play Store version? I like to launch the application and tap over it, and app info. Right now I have 4.1 and the latest that I have downloaded is 4.2.3. okay, now let's go to the root browser. Okay, go back, and now first copy the application. It is in my SD card and AirDroid. Where is AirDroid? Upload, and I will tap over it and it will give me a copy option. You can see here is the paste option. Go to home and go to system, go to app and paste it here. Now here the dangerous work. I will scroll down to the Play Store application. This is my pasted file and it has Play Store icon. You can recognize it by this, and Phone Sky. You can see it is our Play Store. So it has just remember the permissions: read, write, read. Okay, now to backup it, do not delete it, just backup it. Before backing up, I will like to take the screenshot of this, so that in case if you forget the name and the permissions, you can see by it. To take a screenshot, press this volume down button and the lock key simultaneously for some time, and it has captured my screenshot. Now I can safely rename it, and I will copy this name and copy it, and I'm using my keyboard. You can use the normal keyboard, Android keyboard. .back to, because I already have a back file. Now just switch back to the, why it is showing me always cancel. Okay, just scroll up to the our downloaded file, tap over it and rename it, and select all and paste. Make sure the app name is as similar to the previous one, otherwise you will in the trouble. And again go to the Phone Sky. Now it has renamed it, and where it is, okay, go back and it will again rearrange the file. Phone Sky. So this is our new application, but the permissions are not set. So for permissions, tap over it and go to properties, and no, sorry, tap over it, and I scroll down and go to permissions, read, write and read. make sure these are the permissions. Owners should have read write and the others should have only read permissions, and you can see here the permissions and the code. The code is 0644. Now everything is okay. Click OK. Now you can see everything is same as the previous file. The previous file is this: read write read, and our new application has same permissions with same name. So make sure you have same thing, and if you done something wrong, you can go back to the same procedure. Okay, now the time is to restart the phone, and I will reboot it. These videos have crossed 11 minutes. So till then, what I do? So till then, wait. If you have some Android skills, you can ask for that in my Facebook group, and I have created this group. This is me. I have created this group so that user can post things here, and I will review it to confirm the skills. So now it has started, and it will take some time because I have installed so many apps in it. Android is upgrading. Okay, get update. Hope nothing goes wrong. Let it prepare. The launcher I am using is Go Launcher, and the application I am using to transfer the files between computer and mobile is AirDroid, and there is another app that I like is WebKey to share the screen of mobile to the computer. You don't need any external Wi-Fi router. You can share it with its Wi-Fi hotspot. That is very cool. In upcoming times I will upload the videos of it. Let's navigate to the Play Store, and I hope it is there. Where is the Play Store? Here is the Play Store, and it will ask my email. No, it haven't asked. Let's see the version of Play Store. Please show me the Play Store. So I have the latest Play Store, and this is a very general video. You can upgrade your Play Store. So to keep the video short, thanks for watching my video. If you have any request or you have liked my video, please share and keep commenting. Have a good day. Bye.